Okay, children, we were discussing modals. The topic is modals. So, regarding the modals, we discussed about shall, will, should, would, can, could. Now, today I'll be explaining about the may and might. Now, may you know that is weaker than that of can. Can और may में क्या फर्क है कि can जो है stronger है may की अपेक्षा, और may जो है possibility में आता है और can जो है वो ability या capability में आता है. अब यहाँ पर may का use, how we go for the use of may, that I am explaining. Use of may. To seek or grant permission. Number one, to seek or grant permission. To seek or grant permission. For example, may I occupy this seat? I am giving the example. May I occupy this seat? Number one, you may go. When you have finished your work. So now, to seek or grant permission, you may take my book, you may sit here, and for seeking permission, may I come in, sir, like that. So that is the first rule. And second one is to express possibility. Now, before I give you the example in writing, I will tell you orally. Possibility, it may rain today. My elder brother may come tomorrow. So like that, it shows possibility. She may get pass marks. Examples, she may get pass marks. He may be here in a few minutes. He may be here in a few minutes. It may rain today. So these sentences, they are showing the only possibility. Now the next point is to express wish. To express wish. Now for example, may you be happy and prosperous. Happy and prosperous. May you live a long life. May God save the king. Like that. And this is the, you see, sign here. We put like this when we are wishing. May the departed soul rest in peace. May the departed soul rest in peace. So these are the examples of wish. To express wish. Now the next examples and points to express a purpose. To express a purpose. Here, we eat so that we may live. हम इसलिए खाते हैं ताकि जिंदा बने रहें, पर्पस. She works hard so that she may pass. She may pass. He walks fast so that he may catch the train. He may catch the train. So now here all these examples I have given you about showing the purpose. So here we finish the use of may. Once again I am telling you, may is used in present tense also, and may is used to seek or grant permission, to express possibility, to express wish, and to express a purpose. After that we come to the next point, that is might. Use of might. The past of may is might. Generally in the past tense, when we are making direct indirect speech, जैसे for example, he said to them, I may come tomorrow. So he said to them that he might come the next day. So may will change into might in the past. So use of might. एक तो पास्ट टेंस में होता है, और टू जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल टू एक्सप्रेस द पास्ट टेंस. फॉर एग्जांपल शी थॉट दैट she might be wrong. उसने सोचा कि वो गलत हो सकती है. अब यहां पर ये वर्ब जब पास्ट में, तो उधर भी पास्ट में होगा, माइट हो जाएगा. I asked her if I might help her. I might help her. So grammatically you see, जब ये पास्ट में है तो उधर might आएगा, may नहीं आएगा. Next example, he told me that he might not appear in the test. He might not appear in the test. So these examples I gave you of the past tense, जहाँ पर हम might लगाते हैं to express doubtful possibility. Doubtful possibility. ये डाउटफुल पॉसिबिलिटी कैसे होता है? जैसे मे जो है वो पॉसिबल होता है, और माइट जो है और कम पॉसिबल, डिस्टेंट पॉसिबिलिटी. तो फॉर एग्जांपल, ही माइट कम टू कंसल्ट मी टुडे. ही माइट कम टू कंसल्ट मी टुडे. इसका मतलब वो उसकी आने की संभावना और भी कम है। माइट में तो संभावना है, इसमें और भी कम संभावना। शी इज वेरी लकी, she might win the lottery. Might win, बहुत कम पॉसिबिलिटी। One more example, he might come but I am not sure. He might come but I am not sure. आ सकता है लेकिन हम श्योर नहीं है। अब लास्ट पॉइंट इज हियर टू एक्सप्रेस पर्पस। व्हाट इज द लास्ट पॉइंट? टू एक्सप्रेस पर्पस। नाउ फॉर एग्जाम्पल, he worked hard, he worked hard, उसने मेहनत की, so that he might win a scholarship. He might win a scholarship. Next is, she came to me so that she might inform me. She might inform me of mother's arrival. Of mother's arrival. So here it shows the purpose. So total points पर ये जो might है, that is used in the past tense to express doubtful possibility or distant possibility or to express purpose. So here we finish the use of may and might.